Hey guys, welcome to Everyday Living with Simply Mercy B. Today we're going to make an easy banana bread. Let's take a look at the ingredients. Of course you're going to need some bananas. Mine are really soft and that's what you want. We have some all-purpose flour along with some baking soda and salt. For this particular banana bread, we're going to be using brown sugar and granulated sugar. To make our bread super moist, we have 1/2 cup of buttermilk, 2 eggs, 1 stick of butter, and some vanilla extract. The first thing I'm going to do is get my bananas all prepped and prepared. You see how ripe that banana is? This is going to be delicious. 3 medium-sized bananas is enough for this recipe. Now we're simply going to take our fork and mash the bananas up. Go ahead and set those to the side. And now we're going to move on to our eggs. We're going to separate our egg yolks and our egg whites. This is going to help our bread be super moist. Go ahead and beat your egg yolks and set them to the side. Using a hand mixer, beat your egg whites until you get a stiff peak. This is the consistency you're looking for. Okay, we almost finished with the preparation part. Go ahead and add your baking soda and your salt to your flour and give it a good whisk. You also want to go ahead and preheat your oven to 350 degrees. We are now ready to make our bread. To a mixing bowl, add your softened butter and the sugars and mix until it's well incorporated. Add the beaten egg yolks and buttermilk and blend well. Give your bowl a good scrape down to make sure everything is mixed well. Add in your vanilla extract and mix. Get half of your flour mixture in your bowl and we're going to mix this just to combine. You do not want to overmix it once you start adding your flour. Now it's time to add the star of the show, our mashed bananas. Get them into our batter and mix to combine. The last thing we're going to do is take our egg whites that we have already beaten to a stiff peak and we're going to gently fold those into our batter. And that is it. Take a look at that beautiful batter. have some loaf pans here that I'm going to lightly spray with some baking spray. And if you do not have baking spray, you can easily grease it with some shortening and dust it with some flour. And finally, we are ready to put our batter into our loaf pans and get them into the oven. You want to bake these at 350 degrees for about 30 to 35 minutes for this size pan. Let's cut into our banana bread. There's nothing wrong with that end piece, but I'm going to go right here in the middle and get me a middle slice. Wow, guys, look at that. So moist. Look at that. So moist. But I'm going to go ahead and get the rest of my bread out of there. Look at the crumb on that bread. Nice. Take a look at how moist this bread is. Let's taste. Yep, it is absolutely amazing. I love this bread. This is a great coffee bread. Listen, guys, there are many banana bread recipes out there. But this is a great basic banana bread recipe. It maintains its hearty and moist texture. And for an added extra flair, you can add different variations to this bread, like nuts, chocolate chips, and even banana chips. Just be creative. This banana bread also stores very easily in an airtight container right on your countertop. But if you're not going to eat it up in a 3-day period, go ahead and put it in the refrigerator. It has been my absolute pleasure to share this super moist banana bread with you. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And guess what? I'm going to see you right back here on Everyday Living with Simply Mercy B.